Hey everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another lazy quick workout. Today we're doing Pilates legs, focusing for the outer thighs. We're gonna lay on the side. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be very effective. So we're starting with my favorite exercise, clams. Okay, so legs together, bend your knees, keep them together. Support yourself with your hands, and from here we are doing clams. Open the knee, feet stay together, drop down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Okay, now we're gonna do elevated clams. Lift the bottom of your legs and same thing. Open and close. Open and close. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna add an extension. Open, extend. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20. Now we have to repeat on the other side. Same 3 moves. Let's go. Starting with clams. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, elevated clams. Lift the bottom of your legs. Same exercise. Open and close. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we're gonna add the extension. Extend and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Woohoo! Okay, that was our 5-minute outer thigh workout, but please Feel free to repeat it 1 or 2 more times if you want to engage your outer thighs a little bit more, if you want to work them a little bit more. Otherwise, you can combine this workout with any other of my lazy workout videos. There's plenty of them here on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this workout with your family and friends, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye!